Hello everyone and welcome to you all in Commerce Academy. Now students, in the previous videos we have already solved the case study related questions in class 12 business studies from chapter 1, that is nature and significance of management. So now the students, in this video we are going to solve the MCQ type of questions from chapter 1, that is nature and significance of management. So now question start first like this. Question number 1. The process of creating an internal environment where individual work effectively and efficiently for achievement of goal is known as. Now students, here you can got the clue. The process of creating an internal environment where individual work effectively and efficiently for achievement of goal. Three words. Number 1, effectively has come. Number 2, efficiently has come. Number 3rd word, for achievement of goal. And all the three words come in the meaning of management. Like management is the process of getting things done with the aim of achievement of goal effectively and efficiently. So students, on the basis of this definitions, now we can say that the right answer of this question is, that is C, this is management, right? So management is the right answer in these questions. Now moving back to the next questions. When a worker achieves target production of 100 units at a higher cost, it means the worker has achieved the target production of 100 units but at a higher cost. Now you can see here achieve the target, okay, but at a higher cost. It means he is effective. Students, here we can say he is effective but he is not efficient, right? So here the answer correct will be effective, B. And regarding the third question, management is a process because it involves series of steps, it leads to systematic working, it involves one single activity, none of the above. So students, management is called as a process because it is a series of steps which is started with the planning and followed by organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. So students, we can say that management is a process. So here the first option will be correct, right? So I think now you might have understood. Then after that we move to the next question. Just see. Question number 4. Management is always denoted by V and not by I because it is a process, it is a continuous, it is a group activity, it is intangible. So just see. Management is always denoted by V. V means we all. Okay, we means we all. That is the group activity. So here the right answer for that will be C, and it is a group activity, right? That will, C will be the right answer. And then next questions. Management works. Management works with the following objective. Objective of profit maximization, right? That is correct. Objective of sales maximization, that is also correct. Objective of becoming market leader, that is also correct. And multiple objective. So business enterprises has multiple objective because that is also correct. Second is also correct, third is also correct. It means fourth will be the right answer because it covers them all, multiple objective. So students, as here the right answer will be only D. Okay. Now moving back to the next questions. A good manager focuses on prosperity of management, prosperity of employees, prosperity of both management and employees. So students, if a manager will only take care of the prosperity of the management, so that is not correct. If a management will only take care of the employee and not the business enterprises, so that is also not correct. So what should be the right way? Management should take care of both, for the prosperity of management as well as for the prosperity of employee. So here students, the answer C is the correct. Okay, now after that we move back to the next questions. This is managers apply management principles by using creativity. This is related to, means managers apply management principle by using creativity. This is this is related to management as science. So students, here just remember creativity. In which nature of management creativity word comes? Creativity. So it requires personal skill and creativity to get perfections. Now students, now you can see that in the feature of management as a art, we have already studied this point, right? And what was that point? Based on practice and creativity. Students, this is the feature of art, right? So here we can say management as a art. Means managers apply a principle by using creativity. It means management is a art. So here for 7, answer will be B. Moving back to the next question, now we come back over here. Liaison with the outside world is the function of. It means maintaining relationship with the outside world. That is the function of top level, supervisory level, middle level, or all of the level. So now students, here the right answer will be top level, because top level management deal with the outsider. Top level management do the business deal with the other companies, right? And take the a very important decision regarding the expansions of the company in the other countries. So students, here the right answer will be top level management. And now to the next question 9. Providing good working condition and ensuring quality work is the function of. So here top level, and the second one is middle level, third one is supervisory level, and D is all of the above. So here just focus. Providing good working condition, right? Providing good working condition and ensuring quality. Just see in the previous questions, when we were doing the case study related questions, I have already explained you that business enterprises has the 3 level of management. The first one is top level, second one is middle level, and third one is low level. So students, low level management is directly and more responsible to maintain the quality of the product, because they are directly in touch of the workers, right? So they directly watch the workers in what manner they are doing the work. Are they either they are doing the work in the good manner, or they are doing the work in the wrong manner, right? So to maintaining the quality of the product, that is the supervisory level of management is more responsible. So here students, answer C is correct. Now we come back to the question number 10. As top level is responsible for the welfare and operations of whole organization, middle level is responsible for the welfare and operation of. So here the option is worker, department, both A and B, and the D option is none of the above. So we know students that middle level management, he is asking that in the questions it is asking that middle level is responsible for the welfare and operation of. So students, middle level management is responsible for his department, and here what is written? For the workers. So for the welfare and proper operation of the worker, low level management is more responsible, remember here. Okay, regarding worker, that is the low level is responsible, and regarding the department, that is middle level management is more responsible. So here the answer will be D, that is mid department. Okay, Now we come back to the question number 11. Yes, now come back to the question number 11. Coordination is, what is coordination? A function of management, an essence of management, part of management, and none of the above. So here students, a function of management, right? Management, it is a function of management, but it is a separate function of management. Okay, it does not included in the process of management. So that answer, first one is not correct. And B, C, this is C, part of management, that is also not correct. And essence of management, right? So that is, we can say that management coordination is the essence of management, because coordination is the force which bind all the other functions together, as well as it bind the overall activities of the business enterprises together, and help the business enterprises to achieve its objectives. Okay, now the next one is, which function of management ensure work accomplishment as per plan, right? It means, which function of management ensure that everything is going on according to the plan, right? So plan not, because planning is already there. Directing is also not correct. Controlling, because what is the meaning of controlling, students? Controlling means to compare the actual work with the planned work, and to make ensure that everything is going on according to the plan. So students, now here the word controlling will be correct, because controlling make ensure that all the work should be going on according to the plan. So here regarding the question 12, answer C is the correct way. Now come back to the 13. The process by which a manager integrates and synchronizes the activities of different department is called, so just see, synchronizes. The meaning of synchronizing is unifying, integrating the various activities of the different department students. That is the coordination, because coordination is the force which bind all the other functions of management, right? Okay, now come back to the these questions. Now students, you can see, coordination is more important in an organization. In what type of organization coordination is more important? See, performing or dealing with single function, performing or dealing with multiple function, performing or dealing with manufacturing goods, and the option number D is all of the above. So students, here performing or dealing with multiple functions, because in such types of business enterprise where multiple type of functions are being performed, so to do multiple functions, different type of employee will be appointed. Okay, and all the employee will focus only on their own activities. So in such types of enterprise where a large number of employees are working together, so there is a need to maintain the proper coordination among them all, as the all the activities of the all the employee are interdependent on each other, right? So there is a urgent need to maintain the coordination among their all the activities, right? Okay, now the last questions. Question number 15. All the businessmen prefer their children to do MBA and then join business. This is related to management as a science, management as a art, management as a profession, management as both science and art. So students, now you can see, all the businessmen prefer that their children do MBA, means before joining the business as a manager, all the businessmen want that their children do MBA. Okay, means uh, restricted entry. Okay, it means they all want that before making entry into the business, their children should complete at least MBA, and after that they join the business. They put the restrictions. It means all the businessmen generally here they want to put the restrictions on their children that first complete MBA. After getting the degree, then you make entry into the business. So students, here management as a profession has been highlighted, because here one of the feature of the management is highlighted here, right? So I think students, now you might have understood all the MCQ type of questions, and you have also got the clue that how to solve the MCQ type of questions. So students, thank you very much for watching this video, and we will meet on the next video.